What to do, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Out, and I'm coming back at y'all with another lit vlog. And today, guys, I have no clue what I actually have in store for today's vlog. I don't have any plans for today. It's Friday. I have nothing going on. It's about 60 degrees outside, as y'all can see. So the weather is all right. You feel me? We just started the Scat Cat. So what I'm actually about to go do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and get a car wash because my car is filthy. I seriously need to go get a detail because I don't know what it is. I can go to the car wash 10 times and it's like my car is still dirty, bro. So I need to get a full detail and actually like get a good like hand wash in. But for now, we're just gonna run through the power wash. I'm gonna probably do a quick wipe down and then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go link up with one of the homies, see what he's doing, and I don't know, we'll see what we have planned for today. There's supposed to be some car meet, like a base park and chill, whatever car meet, but I don't know. We're gonna see what is in plan for today, guys. But enough of me talking, enough of my face. I know y'all want to see the Scat Pack, so we're gonna get to this POV driving, and why not, let's do a 20,000 mile review on the Scat Pack. So fuck it. Just like that, guys, we are behind the steering wheel of my 2022 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392. So for those of you who don't know, got this car probably 4 or 5 months ago. I bought it brand new, no miles, straight off the truck, still had plastic on it, was in ship mode. And right now we're at 20,000 miles, as you guys can see. So just to kind of do a quick review, let you guys know why I kind of bought the car. I really bought this car to take it state to state and just drive it. I wanted something that was comfortable, that I can take on long road trips, and as well have a little bit of fun in. Also, you know, got a nice V8 under the hood, 6.4 liter V8. So for the most part, guys, this car is holding up strong. I have no problems with the car. You see the check engine light. That's just because the exhaust. I do have, I gutted the cats, and honestly, the gutted cats is not too bad. But like I said, guys, this car has been holding up pretty well. Like, I've had no mechanical problems so far as long as I've had this car, and it's been through a lot. I raced this car, I drift, I slide. It's been in a couple accidents, just nothing too crazy where I had to take it into a shop, but it's been hit. It's got a little bit of subframe damage, and that's just from literally driving and just going state to state and debris in the road and shit like that. But for the most part, guys, it's holding up fine. All I do is I stay on top of my oil changes. The main thing with these cars is as long as you can take care of them when it comes to like upkeep, for the most part, these cars are gonna last you, you know, a lifetime. Like I said, we're at 19.6, so pushing 20,000 miles. Had a couple oil changes so far, nothing crazy. I've been to Pennsylvania, New York a couple times, North Carolina, everything in between, Maryland, DC. This car has literally been everywhere, and like I said, guys, it's running strong. I've been through plenty of tires, and I've been going through a ton of fucking oil, but I love it. Like I said, this car is holding up really well. I think the only things I would like to switch, or what I wish this car had, is the Bluetooth CarPlay. That's one thing, you know, it's a 2022, it's a brand new car. You know, there's economy cars out there that have Bluetooth CarPlay. I still have to plug my phone up, and you know, it's not the end of the world, but it gets annoying when you're on a long road trip. Your phone's already on 100%, and just want to have peace of mind and have the map up. You got to have your phone plugged up. So I wish I had that. The second thing I wish I had was a sunroof. I do have the red interior, but I don't have a sunroof. Again, it's not the end of the world, but I would prefer to have a sunroof. And I think the only other thing I wish this car had is I mean, I don't know, bro. I mean, like I said, I love this car, you know. There's nothing, it's hard for me to find things that I don't like about it. You know, I can tell you a million things I love about the car, but it's hard to figure out, you know, a handful of things I don't like. But those are just two of the things to mention. But yeah, I mean, I love this car, bro. Like I said, this shit's holding up strong. We hopping onto the highway. My car is still like cold, as y'all can see, so I can't get on it too hard. I'll hop on here though. But yeah, brakes, everything holding up good. No shaking, no weird noises or anything. As far as like build quality in general, like the car is built strong, man. It's built well. I've got gutted cats. That hasn't messed with the car too much. I've probably driven 2,000-3,000 miles now since that's happened. You don't get a lot of drone or rattling or shaking or anything like that. Here and there, you do get a couple weird noises, but I mean, it's bound to happen. The exhaust is definitely vibrating a lot more, but for the most part, cruising at highway speeds, I can't notice it. It honestly sounds like I have a mid-muffler lead. It's once I go into sport and track mode, that's when you notice it for the most part. But yeah. And then if a lot of you guys were asking about my tint, I have 35 on the front, 15 on the sides, and then I have 5 in the back. And it's a hella clean setup. Like, it's not, I'm gonna let you know right now, you can still see in. Like, if you're just driving, yeah, you can still see in. You really got to be looking though to actually like make out my face. I'll say that. Like, it's shaded enough to where it's hard for people to look in while you're driving around and actually see you, but it's not too dark to where it's like it's a cop magnet. And here, speaking of the devil, it's a cop right here. For the most part, these Suffolk cops don't be messing with me, you feel me? But, you know, we ain't got no inspection sticker, no front plate, and I got plate tint. That's really the only thing they can get me for, but those are all minor fucking shit. Look at that 350Z. Man, look, I have, it's a love-hate relationship with cops. It's not all cops are bad, but some of them are just natural dickheads. That's all I can really say. We got a little old shit, okay? Jesus Christ. This really just killed my mood, like, for the whole vlog. It's like, damn. Everything fun stops. But shit. We driving, man. I'm gonna tune back in when we get to the car wash, bro. Alright, so we made it to the car wash. Green clean, as y'all can see. Only place I really go to. I fucking love this place. Let's see if I can squeeze by here. Oh, TRX. There's some shit out today. Oh my god, I got the TRX. Got to see the old shit. There's a Supra in there. Hold up, no. There go that cop. I'm glad. No. Okay, got a little Supra. That bit clean though. I'm not really a big fan of the new ones, but he got the red guts on that shit. That shit is clean as hell. And then we got this fucking cop right here, bro. No cap. I'm finna go right past y'all niggas. Cause you know I'm a member. Oh my god. I just fucking went over that curb. I'm gonna smack this shit. Alright, let's see if we can get in this bitch. Fuck. Slow and easy, my boy. Oh. Yes, sir, ski. Green clean. This is a much needed car wash. I'm not even gonna lie. My shit is like filthy right now. And like I said, my shit, I'm gonna show y'all when I get out. This shit's still gonna be dirty, bro. I don't get it. But as soon as you go here, you're not gonna be able to hear me, so I'm probably about to cut it. And we're just gonna tune this back in whenever I hop out. Alright, so we just made it to the damn car wash. I'm about to show you. This shit is like still dirty, bro. I don't know what the fuck this shit is. See what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what the fuck this shit is. It's coming off though when it's wet, so I'm gonna have to wipe this shit down. Are you kidding me, bro? Yeah. Damn. So I just gotta wash this. Y'all can see the inside looking hella good. But bro, bird just shitted on my fucking car, like on the window, on the top, like God. And I just gotta wash, just wiped everything down. So it's like, fuck, bro. But thankfully, I'm a member. I get unlimited washes, so I told him, oh, please don't scrape the curb. I told him I was just gonna come back to the wash one more time. Not gonna do a wipe down this time, but run through it one more time. Cause bro, how fucking inconvenient is that? But I ended up getting that shit off my car. What I'm thinking it is I use this tire shine, and I don't think I'm letting it dry all the way, and it's backsplashing onto the car. Everything is backsplashing onto the car. So shit, I don't know. We're gonna see, because yeah, so I'm thinking the tire shine is backsplashing onto the car, and that mixed with whatever's on the road, and then brake dust. And these Brembos, they do create a lot of brake dust. You can't really notice it because of the colors on my wheels, but they do create a lot of brake dust. I think that's getting flicked up into my car and getting caked up on there. So it's not coming off on this, but if I go in there with some instant detailer and I just start rubbing at it, it comes off real easy. If I just rub my hand on it, it comes off in one wipe. So I don't know. We're gonna go to the car wash, get this bird shit off, and then I'm gonna go hit up my boy Ari. We're gonna link with him, see what the moves is. I don't really know what's going on today. Yo, what to do, YouTube? Hold up, why the fuck I start the fucking vlog that way, bro? Y'all don't get on my top piece, but what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cash Out. I don't know why I'm filming this like an intro, but what's good, YouTube? Goddamn, it's the fucking next day. You already know how my vlogs be. I be taking fucking forever to film my fucking vlogs, but it's the next day. Right now, about to go link up with running season. About to pull up to the mall, pull up to the t-shirt spot, see what the fuck's happening. Might do a quick little POV drive. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my Instagram. That's gonna be in the link in the description below. Cash_out392. I also do a lot of POV driving up there, so you guys are gonna get a lot of, you know, behind the scenes content up there before you ever see it on this page. Trust me, I'm not lying to you. But yeah, right now we at the mall. This is Chesapeake Square Mall. This shit dead as fuck. I ain't even gonna cap. But we about to go pull up on Mo. So we about to see what the fuck is going on, man. Give y'all a quick little POV drive too, since we in this motherfucker. But yeah, y'all, go ahead and fuck with the Instagram. That shit lit. Yeah, like I said, y'all gonna see a lot of content up there before you ever see me post anything up here. But I think I can get, they can go this way, bro, to get into the t-shirt place. Don't do this, kids. This is mad illegal, but we got shit to do. So we finna pull up. Yeah. And we finna park up. No kids out. Alright, I'm gonna tune back in with y'all in like 10 minutes. Oh my god. I'm behind as hell. For real? Yeah, I owe like 5 or 6 people some hoodies. So I'm gonna just post it. Once I get the people that paid for this shit yesterday, today, once I get it out, I'm gonna be like, who needs hoodies still? That's how we do it. Exactly. Vlogging, I don't even know. How you doing? You lit. Alright, bet. Man, I need to get me some fucking t-shirts made, bro. So we just made it to the fucking mall. But we gonna see what we about to do. What we about to get into for today. Oh shit. Oh, this shit is low.
Yes.
This shit is a race car.
Yo.
Carbon fiber, this shit is so sexy. Oh my gosh.
You hear that shit?
Yeah.
That's a super driver.
Really?
That ticket.
What?
That's the problem.
Oh shit. Bro, it sounds like an I don't even know. It sounds like a spaceship.
Sounds like some thunder.
This shit, it's like the Camaro. Oh shit. This shit is fast.
That's me, all-wheel drive.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. Oh wait, let me turn the music off. I know y'all see that in the background. But nah, that's gonna be all for today's vlog. I know y'all want to see me start posting vlogs more often, so I'm about to start posting vlogs once a day. But let me know what you guys think. Like I said, go ahead and follow my Instagram in the link below. Anything that's behind the scenes, you're gonna see that first on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, man.